back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with yet another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone entering data. We are going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read the reviews on the company or get that application in. Today's job lead is from the company Medline Industries. Now, they have 2,200 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a data coordinator to work remote. Now, this is for the United States only, but they are basically looking for somebody to complete daily tasks necessary for data and document management and maintenance. This means you're going to be reviewing, entering, and maintaining the SAP master data. You'll review and refine the data files. You're going to manage the workflow and governance of the master data file. You'll troubleshoot any issues that you come across and make necessary corrections to the data and the process as needed. You'll review and analyze the upload results and resolve any errors. You'll also review and validate the accuracy of the master data file, performing those quality audits to make sure that data was entered and is in the master file correctly. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They need somebody who has experience entering data into databases like Microsoft Access. They need somebody who has a intermediate skill level of using Microsoft Excel. So really that high school diploma or GED and someone who can use those Microsoft systems, Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Outlook, all the things. They do prefer somebody who has SAP knowledge, but that is not a requirement. Now, it is down here very little. Pay is anywhere from $18.75 an hour all the way up to $30.75 an hour. Of course, this is going to be based on your location, education, experience, skills, all the things. And they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, life and disability insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.